Good morning. I'm going to show you my daily stretch routine. Let's get right into it. So I always start off simply by going to touch my toes. You want to hold all of your stretches and no bouncing. Bouncing, especially too far, can cause tearing. When I do this stretch, I usually start off by going with straight knees. And then I'll do another one where I bend my knees just slightly to go a little bit farther. Make sure you stretch your back as you do this as well. I'm going to put 1 foot forward and 1 foot back. We're going to stretch out the back, the bottom lower back here. We're going to switch feet. Again, we're stretching the lower back. All right, we'll stretch the side. Make sure you don't bounce. As far as you can. Keep your front facing forward. Go to the other side. All right, start some leg stretches. These again, this is going to do your lower back and your hamstrings. So, when you're doing these, I go for, your aim is to try and be able to touch your foot. If you can't reach your foot, that's fine. Just start off here and then work your way up here over time. But for this leopard stretch, you're going to want to hold the stretch and lean into it. You want to just let your muscles just relax. I'm going to switch sides. Again, if you can't go this far, that's fine. You can start off here, and then as you become more flexible, you can move more and more towards reaching your foot. Just relax into the stretch. I'm going to do it on the side. So now I have the blade of the foot. It's now sideways on the ground. I'm just going to lean into this. Switch sides. Again, foot sideways. I'm just going to lean into this. All right. We're going to sit with our legs crossed, and this is going to stretch your back haunches there, and you're just going to lean forward. Just relax into the stretch. We're going to switch to the butterfly stretch. This will stretch the inside. You want to get your feet as close to you as you can. And then your knees will relax towards the floor. Right, now we're going to stretch our thighs. We're going to be stretching the tops of the thighs here. Do this. And get up on the balls of our feet. And we're going to stretch our knees forward so that we're stretching the tops of our thighs. And from here, I like to stretch the lower back again. It's similar to what I was already doing, but we're going to drop the hip and then move forward. This is going to stretch down here in the lower back. Just drop that hip and then keep that knee forward. And right now I'm doing my left side. I'm going to swap sides. Do my right side. I'm going to drop the hip. Lean it forward. Just always relax into all of your stretches. All right. Now the most important stretch. Lie on your back. Bring one knee all the way up and hold that there. And then we're going to bring it slowly across to the other side. This is going to stretch all in here. It's also going to stretch your back. Keep your knee up high. Keep your opposite arm off to the side to help with stretch your back. Your leg gets all the way over. If you've got the space for it, you can stretch even farther. Straighten out your leg. And now you can stretch your back even farther. Continue going down with your foot. We're going to swap sides. Legs out straight. Bring up the left leg. Knee to your chest. Put your left arm out to the side. And then slowly bring your left knee over to your right side. Remember to always relax into all of your stretches. And you get all the way over to the side. If you've got space, you can put your foot out and continue going farther down. that's it for my stretches. There are a couple other exercises that I do as well because I want to strengthen my back. I do a lot of sitting, and this helps prevent lower back pain. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to do essentially a type of bridge. A bridge has you moving up this way. We're going to have our fingers facing forward, and what we're going to want to do is bring up our pelvis, and we want to move forward. It's going to look a little awkward. You should feel a burn after a few times down here in your lower back, and this is going to help strengthen your lower back to prevent back pain. Make sure you keep going forward and not just up. All right, lastly, we're going to do side leg lifts. This will help with lower back pain right in here. So if you get back pain here, this is an easy exercise to help prevent that. So we're going to lie on our side, and we're just going to bring up our top leg straight up. Start with your foot level. However, when this gets too easy, you can also rotate your foot up or rotate it down towards the ground, and that'll make it a little bit harder. All right, I'm going to switch sides. Keep your legs straight the whole time. All right. And that's pretty much it. That's my daily stretch routine. Have a great day.